Cuisinart air fryer toaster oven provides you with a healthier, easy-to-use cooking method that produces great-tasting treats by using less fat. Air frying, which uses powerful ultra-hot air and 98% less oil than deep frying, is a healthier way to cook. Prepare your delicious fried favorites from wings and fritters to fries and shrimp using little or no fat in the cooking process. The Cuisinart air fryer toaster oven is a premium full-size toaster oven with a built-in air fryer, which means it uses a combination of hot air, high blower velocity, and 4 upper heating elements to not only bake, toast, and broil, but also to air fry your favorite foods. Frying your favorite crispy foods with less fat, baking, broiling, and toasting. Now you can be guilt-free and enjoy the crunch without the calories with the new Cuisinart air fryer toaster oven.
Hi, I'm Laura, and this is the new digital toaster oven by Toshiba. A beautiful stainless steel oven that has an amazing range of features. You can bake, broil, defrost, or reheat, and even create a healthy rotisserie meal. It has a spacious interior large enough for 6 slices of bread and up to a 12-inch pizza. And it has a beautiful blue LCD screen, so it's easy to read. The digital screen allows for more accurate and all-purpose control for the menus, temperature, and time. Let's say we want to prepare a 12-inch pizza. Simply select the pizza function from the digital control panel, adjust the temperature and time, and push start. The powerful convection fan circulates hot air throughout the interior for fast, even cooking. So there's no guessing. You get perfectly prepared meals every time. In just minutes, our pizza is finished. One of my favorite features is the rotisserie function. With the Toshiba digital toaster oven, it provides a healthy way to cook delicious and juicy chicken. And best of all, it eliminates unwanted fat and grease. Simply remove the rack from the oven and place the baking pan at the lowest level of the oven. Then secure the meat with the weight centered on the forks. Insert into the sockets on either side of the oven. Select the rotisserie function and the temperature and time and push start. When it's complete, you end up with a healthy, delicious prepared dish your whole family can enjoy. The digital toaster oven by Toshiba. Make cooking easier and better.
Cuisinart Chef's Convection Toaster Oven is in a class of its own. With 15 cooking functions and 1,875 watts of power, it earns every compact inch of space it occupies on the countertop. Choose a traditional cooking function or select unique ones like Dual Cook and Speed Convection. Dual Cook combines functions for sequenced heating, and Speed Convection gets right to work, cooking foods with no preheat. Choose from the Cuisinart family of toaster ovens and bring an amazing array of features home today.
Cook almost anything with 7 easy cooking modes. Pizza, bake, toast, broil, bagel, roast, and keep warm. All in one convection toaster oven.
The Cuisinart Air Fryer Toaster Oven is compact in size, yet spacious enough to air fry up to 2.5 pounds of food at once with minimal noise and maximum ease. With features of full-size models, this innovative unit has 6 functions: convection bake and convection broil, air fry, toast, bagel, and warm. Air frying is a healthier alternative to deep frying in oil. A high-velocity fan and an upper heating element circulates the air to prepare a variety of foods that are both delicious and healthier than traditionally fried foods. Air fry favorites such as chicken wings. Toast 4 slices of bread or bagel halves at once to serve up a quick and easy breakfast. Bake a 3-pound chicken in less than 60 minutes and save time with easy cleanup. The Cuisinart Compact Air Fryer Toaster Oven has temperatures of up to 450 degrees and offers great performance without crowding the countertop. It's so simple to use. Turn the knobs to select function, time, and temperature. Enjoy all the crunch without the calories. The Cuisinart Compact Air Fryer Toaster Oven.